Guys, we're doing beef short ribs on my Ninja Foodi coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and get that bell clicked too so you can get all the alerts that we do here, okay? So again, today we're doing these lovely short ribs on the Ninja Foodi. This is the new hotness. I want you guys to go out and get one. And when you do, make sure you hit that link down below in the description. It'll take you to my Amazon store, get you taken care of right quick. All right, and it'll also be pinned in the top comment in my comment section. I want to make sure you guys get one of these. All right, it's gonna take no time at all. Usually when I do it like on the smoker or the pit barrel, it takes hours and hours. I've let these short ribs sit and rub for about 3 or 4 hours. This JP-licious rub that I'll show you later. All right, so I'm gonna get you over here. I'm gonna show you how I get this put together. All right, guys, we got our beef short ribs ready to go. I've let them sit in this rub for this JP-licious barbecue rub. I've let it sit in that for probably a good 3 hours now. So we're gonna get this thing started. I'm looking at my handy dandy guide here in the instruction book, the recipe book, and we have boneless beef short ribs. Well, these have bone in, but that's what we're gonna do. So we have 1 cup of water. We're gonna cook it on high. I'm watching my tongs. And we're gonna cook it for 25 minutes. Okay, so let's get this water in. I set this water up so it's hot because it pressurizes quicker when the water's hot. Okay, so I have just 6 ribs right here. Get them stacked up in there. Okay. Alright, these are gonna be good. I know these are gonna be good. You know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sneak in just a little apple juice in there. Just to add a little extra something. Lid's on, power's on. So we're pressurizing. Pressure. Alright. And we're going 25 minutes. Obviously, or when we hit the pressure, it goes on, automatically goes on high. Okay, so we got 25 minutes. You hit start, and remember, the lights are chasing each other. That means it's building the pressure in there. So it'll take a good 3, 4, 5 minutes maybe, and we'll start counting down from 25. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're gonna release the pressure. Pressure is being released. All right, guys, we've let all the pressure out. Let's see how these things turned out. Ooh, steam it. Those are looking mighty fine. All right, cool. Looking good, looking good. All right, now we're gonna sauce these up. Sauce them up. Crisp them. Give them that bark, that barbecue bark, if you will. Use a little brush. Okay, we got these sauced up. We're gonna air fry them. The lid is shut. Air crisp. We'll go ahead and do the 390s, fine with me. We'll go a good 10 minutes just to get that nice caramelization on there. Okay. See you back in 10. All right, guys, this is done. Let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, that's looking good. All right, let's get this plated up. Get a little taste test going. All right, guys, we're back. We got these things done. I showed you I did the little flyover. Oh, they look so good. They're nice and warm. Take one right here. Look at this bad boy. Look at that shine. Look at that flavor. Oh, it's so tender. Oh, look at that. I didn't believe this in a pressure cooker. It's really freaking good.
You impressed with yourself?
I'm impressed with myself. It wasn't the cooker, it was on me.
Okay.
It's all the flavor. Oh. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure you get this bad boy. I'm going to do plenty more videos. We're going to try different things in this thing. This is going to be awesome. Come along with a ride with me. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.
That is not it.
Okay.
It's recording.
Oh, great. What are you supposed to be doing right
We
now?
don't either. We're the worst crew ever. Little bunny. And popping them on the head.
Yearly outtake.
I'll save it for the outtakes. Oh my gosh.
I'm